Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to start installing camber plates, DeadSet kit and poly bushes on the car. In order to do that I need to drop the subframe and also remove the struts. Because I only have access to a floor jack and jack stands, this is gonna be pretty painful, but I've been waiting to do this for 3 months now. I'm gonna start by replacing the bushings on the lower control arm. One thing that I want to point out, if you see here, this bolt has to come out, but this is the transmission case. This is a DSG car. So in order to take that bolt out, you have to actually drop the subframe. So because I want to see how the bushing replacement goes, I'm going to start on the other side, which doesn't have this issue. So just to give you a sense of what I'm talking about, that bolt has enough room to come out. So to remove the lower control arm, you need to take that one out, one in the back, and you have 3 more here. The control arm came out. I forgot to mention about the height sensor, which is here. You have to detach that from the lower control arm. And this is how the bushing looks on the stock control arm. And I'm gonna change those with these. And in order to do that, I have a kit here. I'm gonna push this one down, and you see here this helper piece pushes the bushing down, and this one at the bottom is gonna catch it. After some struggle, I was able to install the lower control arm here and back there. You can see it probably. And now I'm going to install back these brake ducts. and then I'm gonna start on the other side. But in order to do that, I need to drop the subframe, so that's another step. So I finished installing the poly bushes on the front, and now I'm installing the DeadSet kit for the subframe. It goes right there in that gap, just like this. And then we're gonna use these bolts. The spread socket goes here behind the knuckle, and it will twist and open the knuckle. This is a close-up look on the spread tool. It opens the knuckle here, and you need to wiggle it and it will drop. The strut is out. Don't forget to disconnect the dynamic chassis control from your strut. And now I have to take this apart and then mount the new camber plates. So I've been running the camber plates and the other parts for around 50 miles, and I'm gonna attach a video here showing the rattle of the camber plates. I contacted ground control, and we're still exchanging email about the rattle of the plates, but because it's so serious, I'm gonna just take the plates out, and I'm on my way to pick up a new camber kit, and I'm gonna install that. The camber kit that I'm gonna install is Eurosport. It's gonna provide less camber, but hopefully no rattle. And so far, the feedback on forums is really good on them, so I'm gonna try them out.